Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are preparing something a little different. Yes, chicken intestines. When I first saw this, I was surprised that they're even sold in shops. I have seen chicken skins, feet and heads before, but the intestines, this was completely new to me. So let's get started. First, we need to clean them thoroughly. So I had put them in a basin and then added water. After that, I began by cutting through the intestines with a knife, making sure that everything is well opened. This process takes time, but it's very effective. I should be honest with you. If you want everything to be neatly done, you need to use this method. After I was done, I had to transfer them into my bowl again, and then I added in water 4 times with fresh water until they were completely clean. Just look at how fresh and neat they look after cleaning them. Next, I placed them in a pan and then added a bit of salt and let them cook in their own water. As you can see, that was the water from the intestines. So I had to cover the pan and allow the water to completely dry up. Once the water was gone, it's time to fry. I added in some oil. I had to chop some fresh garlic. So I added the garlic for that amazing aroma. And then I added Raja spice. And then paprika. And then a touch of black pepper. Like I always say, spices are all about personal preferences. These are just what I had, but feel free to use whatever you love. So as the intestines cook, you'll notice something very interesting. These shrink a lot. At first they look like they are big portion, but as you can see, they have shrinked so much. Honestly, if you're cooking for 2 people, you're going to need 2 bags. So I fried them for a few minutes until they turn a nice crispy brown. And just look at that. Absolutely delicious. If you made it this far and haven't subscribed yet, please do so and don't forget to like and comment. Karibu and see you in the next one.